Space seems eternal, doesn't it? Every night, the same constellations rise, exactly as they did for our ancestors thousands of years ago. But this serenity is the greatest illusion in human history. The universe is not a silent sanctuary. It is a battlefield of colossal forces. Right now, invisible bullets are tearing through the void, capable of sterilizing entire worlds, while whole galaxies are preparing for collisions that will rewrite the laws of reality. Today, we look into the abyss. We will break down 7 scenarios, each more massive and terrifying than the last, from the death of our home to the disintegration of the very fabric of existence. Welcome to the end of time. Scenario 1. The Sun's Wrath. Let's start close to home. Our sun is the source of all life, but it can also be our executioner. Every few decades, the sun experiences massive outbursts. If a powerful coronal mass ejection hits Earth directly, we won't see fire in the sky. We will see darkness. An electromagnetic pulse would instantly fry transformers across the globe. Communication, the internet, and navigation systems would cease to exist. In mere hours, civilization would be plunged back into the Stone Age, not by fire, but by the silence of our technology. Scenario 2. Rogue ghosts. Space is full of ghosts, rogue stars and black holes that aren't tied to any orbit. If a wandering star enters our solar system, it doesn't even need to hit us to destroy us. Its gravity alone is enough to turn our stable planetary orbits into a chaotic game of billiards. Earth could be flung into the freezing void of interstellar space, turning our oceans into solid ice. Or even worse, we could be pushed directly into the sun's scorching embrace. Scenario 3. Gamma-ray sterilization. Gamma-ray bursts are the brightest and most powerful electromagnetic events in the known universe. If a massive star within 6,000 light-years collapses, firing a narrow beam of energy our way, we wouldn't even have time to scream. The beam travels at the speed of light. It would instantly strip away our ozone layer, turning the atmosphere into a poisonous brown smog. Radiation would trigger a mass extinction, killing everything that isn't buried deep underground or hidden in the deepest trenches of the ocean. In roughly 4 billion years, an event astronomers call Milkomeda will begin. The Andromeda Galaxy is currently hurtling toward us at 110 kilometers per second. This won't be a sudden explosion, but a slow, majestic dance of gravity. Galactic disks will warp, pulling out long tails consisting of billions of stars. While stars themselves rarely collide because of the immense distances between them, their orbits will be scrambled forever. Our sun could be flung to the far outskirts of a new, giant elliptical galaxy, leaving our sky unrecognizable. Scenario 5. Awakening the sleeping monsters. At the heart of almost every galaxy sleeps a monster, a supermassive black hole. During the merger of the Milky Way and Andromeda, massive clouds of gas will be funneled toward these centers. The black holes will begin to feed, erupting with terrifying relativistic jets. The center of our new galaxy will ignite as a brilliant quasar, sterilizing thousands of star systems with lethal radiation. Eventually, these two monsters will merge into one, sending gravitational waves through the very fabric of space that will shake the entire universe. Scenario 6. False vacuum. Decay. This scenario is the fastest possible death. According to quantum physics, our space might be in a state of false vacuum. Think of it like a ball stuck on a ledge on the side of a mountain. If it rolls down, the laws of physics change instantly. A bubble of true vacuum would appear, expanding at the speed of light. Inside this bubble, atoms cannot exist. Matter simply stops being matter. You wouldn't feel pain and you wouldn't see it coming. In 1 microsecond you exist, and in the next, the universe simply stops working. Scenario 7. The Big Rip and Heat Death. If the vacuum spares us, the structure of space itself will finish the job. Dark energy is forcing the universe to expand faster and faster. In the Big Rip scenario, this expansion becomes so aggressive that it tears apart galaxies, then star systems, and finally, atoms themselves. Space literally shreds into nothingness. If there is no rip, we face heat death. The last stars will flicker out, black holes will slowly evaporate through Hawking radiation, and all that will remain is an infinite, cold, and absolutely dark void where nothing happens. Forever. We are but a fleeting spark in an infinite darkness. But that is exactly what makes our moment here and now so precious. Cosmic catastrophes are inevitable on the scale of eternity. But today the stars still shine for us. Cherish this moment. See you in infinity.